Okay, I am still on the hunt to find a really good cough syrup. So I'm gonna make my own. I got the goods. I got an onion from Brits. Got some all natural honey. And then I have just store-bought garlic because I don't have any. And then I have my 2 mason jars. Okay, I tried to record a cute little me putting onions in there. Did not work, but I have my jar. It's about 3/4 filled with onion. Now I'm gonna add some raw honey. It'll all settle down. Okay, so now I have the garlic cloves, and I'm gonna add some honey. Okay, here's my garlic. We'll let it ferment, and then here's my onions. The onion in this. Let's see how it is. Not very good. Garlic and honey. Ooh, that one's actually really good. I think this will be ready for next year when I have a cough again.